Hi folks, and welcome to this video. Just a very quick update around the pavements on our solar farm, our 11 megawatt DC solar farm in central Waikato region. Obviously we're preparing for the crane lift for the STSs on Tuesday of next week, so we're just finishing up and tidying up the road to give it more stability, such that we can run the crane down it. Everything's locked in for Tuesday. I'll share some footage with you around the crane lifts, so we're obviously very much looking forward to landing those units and doing our AC terminations into those STSs. Again, for the avoidance of doubt, those are Hawaii STSs, so everything is on track in accordance with our program. Okay folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Very quick update. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much.